everyone and welcome to the class. So I hope we are now clear with query operator structure. Now let's take one more example. What are URL parameters or query strings? URL parameters are piece of information located in the query string of a URL. This query string is the portion of the URL that follows a question mark. For example, in the figure, we can see a URL that is domain.com / shoes question mark type, which is equals to sneakers. The format of the URL parameters. Now let's quickly go through the format. Upon first look, you might just see a random string of letters, numbers, and symbols. But once you understand the anatomy of the URL parameter, you will be able to make sense of these long strings of code. Now let's quickly understand each and every query string. Now, the first one is the question mark. This starts the URL parameter, that is domain.com / shoes question mark type is equals to sneakers. Ampersand. This separates parameters when you have multiple in one URL. Okay, so we have multiple queries in one URL, so that's why this ampersand is used to separate the parameters. So as you can see, ampersand, type is equal for after shoes question mark type is equals to sneakers, and sort is equals to price ascending. So we have two parameters. First is type, which should be equals to sneakers, and it should also be sorted in the price ascending order. Now the next one is the variable name or key, is like the title or label of the parameter. Okay, so here we can say like domain.com / shoes question mark type is equals to sneakers. This is the variable name. Next one is the value. This is the specific value that the key identifies. For grammar nerds, it's like the predicate nominative in a sentence. In the sentence, Bagel is my dog, Bagel is like the key variable and name. Bagel is like the key variable name while dog is the value. Alright, this is it for this section, and we are now very much confident to understand each and every queries which we will be performing, and we will be able to explain it with proper explanation which will boost our confidence. Alright, now we are all set for the practical stuff for the next section. Are you excited? Let's see you in the next section.